What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Office if you have a product key. So firstly, what you want to do is to go on a browser and you're going to search for Microsoft. Then you're going to click down right here on Office 2021, 2019, 2016. So what you want to do then is to go in left bar and here you're going to click on redeem a product key. Then you're going to scroll down till you see redeem a product key and here you're going to click on setupoffice.com. As you can see now we have the option to get started, so let's click on get started. Here we have to enter our product key, so let's do that. Then you're going to click on next. Then you're going to set the language that you want to use. I'm going with English and then you're going to click on redeem. As you can see now we can download our apps. So what we want to do is to choose between 64 bits or 32 bits. It depends on your Windows that you have installed. I'm going with 64 bits. You're going to choose where we want to download the installer, then you're going to double click on it. As you can see, Microsoft Office is setting up on our PC, so what we have to do now is to wait for it to be done. As you can see, we're all set, so let's click on close, and now if we search a Microsoft Office product on our search bar, we will have it. As you can see, I search for Word. Let's open Word. As you can see now, we can use Microsoft Office on our PCs. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.